Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The single best idea, just a spectacular day. It's a Friday, it's 2 above zero in New York, or feels that way at least. 3-day weekend, and our team lined up just a great set, eclectic set of conversations. I really can't say enough about spur of the moment. Gulnar Montevalli joining us from London. She has been definitive reporting for Bloomberg News in Tehran for almost a decade. It was good to catch up with her in London. She was piercing about the future of her Persia. Ibrahim Rabari as well. You know him from Foreign Exchange. He was born in Tehran, and we treasure his comments on his Persia and the global diaspora of Iran. Avery Sheffield joined us from Rockefeller Asset, and it's just real simple. This market, can it keep going? Let's listen.
You always think that potentially the madness will abate, but I think what we're likely to continue to see is that the madness abates when the data comes through, and that checks wherever the markets are going. And what we've really, seen coming into this year is, of course, very high expectations following a market that's been very strong for 3 years. And I think that what that means is that looking ahead, it's going to be tougher, and you're going to want to be much more selective in your stock selection.
Avery Sheffield, Rockefeller Asset Management as well. Alexis Crow came by with PwC, really a definitive knowledge of Europe. Her work out of St. Andrews and the London School of Economics. Alexis Crow on the steps forward for Europe.
Global markets, by and large, do not care about geopolitics. They shrug it off, right? Interesting that the single largest spike that we had in the VIX, in the volatility index, happened when investors and market participants were concerned about an unwinding of the carry trade with Japan. Mm-hmm. So it's not geopolitics, it is monetary policy.
Thank you. Alexis Crow piercing earlier on Europe, where she just said this is the year they have to get their act together. We're on podcasts that grow each and every day on Apple, on Spotify. Thank you for your attention on Spotify podcasts, and on YouTube podcasts, it's Single Best Idea.